Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends.
A young man bursts into the kitchen, glowing with excitement. "Ma," he says, "I've met someone special, and I'm going to marry her." His mother smiles warmly. "But let's make it fun," he adds. "I'll bring over 3 women tomorrow. You guess which one is the one." She chuckles. "All right, I'm game." The next day, he arrives with 3 stunning women. They sit together on the couch, chatting and laughing. His mother observes quietly from her armchair. After a while, he turns to her. "Okay, Ma, time to guess. Which one am I marrying?" Without missing a beat, she points to the redhead in the middle. Her. He stares at her, amazed. "That's right. How did you know?" She shrugs. "I don't like her." Would you like a version with a twist ending or a more emotional tone? It was a peaceful Sunday when the grumpy old biker decided he'd had enough. The honey-do list on the fridge had grown terrifying. Fix the sink, fold the laundry, vacuum the cat. He stared at it, muttered, "This isn't what I signed up for," and revved up his motorcycle like it owed him money. As he rode off, a sock flew out of his saddlebag. Inside the house, his daughter peeked through the window. "Mom, when's Daddy coming back?" she asked. Without missing a beat, the mom replied, "When gas prices go back up, or he runs out of clean underwear." Meanwhile, the biker cruised into the sunset, rumbling, "I was born to ride, not sort colors."